I'm gonna taste this weird lollipop in 3, 2, 1. No, it's not that bad. I mean, it does taste nice. Okay, that makes my mouth look weird. Yep, it's really nice. Here's a close look up at it. Oops. Sorry, I fell. Here's a close look. Really close look. Yeah, that's what it looks like right close up. Looks like lava. So yeah, that's the taste test. Now I'm gonna lick instead of put it in my mouth. Now I'm gonna put it in my mouth and lick it in my mouth. It looks really weird. So bye. See you in the next video.